Welcome to your dream home. This property is thoughtfully renovated by Dream Team Capital. When you think about buying a home, you think about the neighborhood. DEERFIELD community in Calgary is a hidden gem in the southeast. It's full of charm, natural beauty, and real community vibes. This kitchen is designed for both its style and function. The custom cabinets with premium countertops with stylish light fixtures have all been handpicked to reflect the modern yet timeless aesthetic. What's unique here is the meticulously separated kitchen and living room, offering both openness and privacy, which is ideal for a growing family. This is the living area just off the kitchen with cozy and sleek fireplace, all set for you to relax. This level offers 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. And right now I'm inside the primary bedroom with a stunning feature wall and an ensuite that has its own styling vanity. Every room in this home offers under cabinet lighting. All the bathroom wall tiles have been manufactured and shipped from Spain. The fully finished lower level is offering you 2 bedrooms, 1 3-piece bathroom, 1 office room, and an entertainment space or your gym space. If you have a large family or a growing family, this is your home. Every inch has been designed to enhance its comfort, function, and style. Fish Creek Provincial Park, literally in your backyard. Walking distance to schools, Bow River, Sikomi Lake, and tons of parks. All essentials close by. You're just minutes away from Deer Valley Marketplace and South Center Mall. So if you feel like rolling on this grass, you need to buy the property first. This is Joe with the McLaren Real Estate team, and you call us for a private showing. Thank you.